Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add color to your Discord messages. Here are some examples I have on the screen right now. Okay, there is no official support for colors in messages on Discord, and the only way to do that, at least right now, is by using code blocks, and then within those code blocks we can paint something in a particular color using a hashtag or some other character that's relevant in that language. I know it sounds complicated, but that's the only way to change colors in your messages on Discord right now. First, start by typing triple backtick sequence of characters. So the backtick is typed 3 times, then we type the name of the language, or something like fix. If I type fix, press enter, and then type my message is going to be colored in cornflower blue, and then you press enter and type triple backticks again and press enter. Now the idea is that this triple backtick starts a code block and then you type name of the language. So I'm going to try JavaScript. And so what is it that we have in JavaScript that changes its color coding? Well, one thing you can use is these slash and star syntax. And if you do that, Discord will think that you're typing JavaScript code, which you are, and paint that part of your text in, let's say, gray color. Now press enter, triple backtick again, and press enter. Now there's also a diff command, triple backtick, diff, enter, and then if you type minus or plus followed by your message, you can color your text in either green or red colors. So plus is going to paint the rest of this message into green with a green background. And using the minus character, you can paint your text in red with a darker red background. Press enter, then type triple backticks again. And yes, it's not perfect. There's going to be plus and minus characters before your text, but again, there's no official support for colors in Discord. Here I'm going to use MD, which stands for markdown, and in markdown if you type hashtag, it's going to paint the rest of your text in blue color. Now you can add purple text, triple backtick, asciidoc, and then if you start typing the period or dot character, the rest of your text will be purple. Now I'm going to use the MD command, which is the markdown command, the one we just used before to make blue color, but I'm going to use the bracket character in front of my text. Close it and it's going to give you a light green text. Now there are 2 other colors that will show up without adding any characters, which is the ML command, and you have to capitalize each first letter of your text in order to make that text red. And to make it orange, type prolog, enter. Again, capitalize every first letter of each word or it's not going to work. And this is for orange color. Triple backtick, enter. And that's pretty much how you add the color to your messages in Discord.